T&L Outdoors. Today we're going to be shooting tracers through this MP1522. We're going to wait till it gets dark and then we're going to put on a show for you. So for the first mag, we're going to shoot once and then we'll do three 3-round bursts, all in tracers. Be sure to subscribe for more content like this. For the next magazine, we're going to do one tracer per 4 rounds, and we're just going to mag dump it. Oh, damn. Alright, that was pretty cool. Be sure to hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.